Hello everybody and welcome to another episode on Tom's TC, another vlog on the way back home from work. Does anyone else do that? Check your pockets constantly, make sure you've got everything. Drives me mad. But I hope everybody is enjoying the channel. Welcome to new subscribers, old and new. And today I want to talk about something which happened. I put a video up on TikTok.
This dude wanted me to take off my lid. No way, mate.
There's a debate about how long they're going to be. I'm not doing it if you're going to want the helmet off, mate. Jesus Christ. No! Go somewhere else. Somewhere else. Of me filling up at the petrol station. Basically refusing to take my helmet off and going somewhere else. I started TikTok a few weeks back, thought I'll give it a go, see what happens. Now, this particular video, whether or not good or bad feedback, has now got nearly 600,000 views, which is amazing. Now, as a YouTuber, I suppose, I put loads of effort into my videos, spend hours editing them, making them look right. And this one video, which literally took me 20 seconds, bit of an over exaggeration, a few minutes to edit and stick up on TikTok, has acquired 600, well, nearly 600,000 views as we speak right now. Now, it's a bit controversial. You could tell who the bikers are on the comments. I've actually had to remove the comments now, not because they're abusive towards me, but to each other, and they're abusive towards each other, and I don't condone any of that. I don't want that on my TikTok or anywhere to do with me, basically. So I've removed the comments. But before, the comments were either, yeah, I'd do that, I'd leave, and other comments was, why wouldn't you take your helmet off? Now, there's a good reason why I don't want to take my helmet off. For a start, this helmet cost me a lot of money. And it's my lifesaver, so I don't want to drop it. I don't want to damage it. There is nowhere to put your helmet when you're filling up a bike in a petrol station, so I'm not going to remove my helmet. I'm going to go somewhere else with a pay-up pump or someone who doesn't care if you walk in with your helmet on. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I don't like being tarnished with the same brush as all the oiks that steal fuel. That's a risk you take with owning a fuel station. If you're going to nick fuel, you're going to nick fuel. Just because your face is covered up doesn't make a blind bit of difference. So that is why I don't remove my helmet. It's too much of a faff. It's hard enough getting your wallet out, putting the bike on the side stand, taking the keys out, blah 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 blah. I'm not prepared to do it. I'm not going to stop you stealing fuel. Yes, okay, it makes you more recognisable, I understand that, but there are other things. We're not going to go into detail on some of these things. There are other things which mean you don't have to uncover your face when you go into a petrol station. So why penalise motorcyclists? Tell me that. I don't know. So from now on, I will not be going to that particular garage anymore. If you think that's petty, I don't give a turd, mate. Don't care. So yeah, I've been going there for years and I've never been asked to remove my helmet before. And if you look past in my past other videos where I fill up for fuel, you'll see that I keep my helmet on, I walk into the petrol station, I pay like a good boy, and I walk out. No one says a thing. In fact, the lady was really pleasant. So why do it? What difference does it make to your life as a petrol attendant? I don't know. Maybe you're a petrol attendant. Comment below, tell me. I don't know. But yeah, makes no difference to them, makes no difference to me. I'll just go somewhere else. So yeah, that's my little rant over with. In a way it's good because I've got more exposure to Tom's TC. I've got nearly 1,000 subscribers on TikTok as well, or followers as they call it on TikTok as well, from the popularity of that video. So that's pretty cool. I'm not sure how long that popularity will last because I don't dance around in my pants or make silly jokes, and I'm not a girl in my pants either, so I'm not sure how long that's going to last. I'm not sure I agree with the TikTok format. It emphasises the need for a short attention, the need to look at something and move on, to not absorb what you're watching, just go ha, ha, and move on. And that's why my video is popular, because it shows a little bit of conflict. It shows a little bit of, like, you know, up yours to society, I suppose, a little bit. Yeah, TikTok's a weird one. I feel like YouTube's more wholesome. I don't know why. I don't know why. Is it even wholesome? I don't know. Look. So over there we've got a picture of the Queen, who has passed away obviously, and it's a really nice art install, but some gimp has decided to deface it. Nice one. I don't understand people. I don't think I would have been like that when I was a kid. I was a bit of an oik, but I wouldn't deface things, especially something like that. Tell me what you think below about TikTok. Do you follow it? Don't you look at it? Do you follow my Instagram? Let me know. I always want to hear comments below. I want to see what people have to say. I get a few likes and a few, you know, but not enough comments. I don't know what people think. So yeah, the channel's reached 1,300 subscribers. It's a massively slow burn. I really want more subs. I guess that just doing vlogs on the bike isn't going to get you a lot of new subs. It's quite an old thing now, everybody does it. I do have some ideas coming up. It's finding the time to get out on the bike when not just commuting to work, to go out and do things, to visit places. I've done a few talkie over videos about new bike releases and new news like that. I think that goes down quite well. I do my best to get all the information into a short time frame. So yeah, I quite enjoy doing those videos as well. I like chatting about motorbikes. I think it's easier to talk to somebody about motorbikes rather than just talking into a microphone. I've still got some practice to go on that. And if you're a follower of 44 Teeth, it is just pretty much reading a PDF that's there and putting a few pictures up of bikes and talking about those bikes. So yeah, it's good. That person in front is looking at news, or not looking, listening to news agents. That must be some sort of radio station or podcast. It's amazing now with all these screens in cars, isn't it? You can see exactly what people are listening to. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. If you're not already, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, give me a comment. Ciao.